Okay, here we go with the cross-country running question. The cross-country running course is in the shape of a triangle. First part of the course, the competitors run 800 metres from the starting point, bearing northeast. So, north, east, that's up here. So that's going to be 45 degrees off. So we set our protractor, put the point on the point there, and 45 degrees we measure round. There's our 45 degrees. Okay, don't worry about how long it's going to be at the moment. And then we go, okay, 400 metres. So 1 centimetre is 50 metres, so 400 metres. How many times is that? That's 8 times that, so it's going to be 8 centimetres. So we measure off on here 8 centimetres, and then we put a cross on the line and we mark that G. Okay, then the competitors then run to a barn which is 450 metres from G and a bearing of 320 from S. So it's a distance from G and 320 from S. So from S, bearings are measured clockwise, so it's 320 all the way around here. Well, 360 is all the way, so it's 40 shy of 360, so that's 45. This is going to be 40, so we're going the other way around now, so we're using the inside scale, going anti-clockwise and measuring 40. So that'll be 40 round to there. Again, we're not sure of the distance, we'll just that, and that's 40. And then it says it's 450 metres from G. Well, 450 metres, that's going to be, how many times does 50 go into that? That's 9, that's 50, so that's 9 centimetres. So we've got our ruler and our pair of compasses. We set that to 9 centimetres. There we go. And we're going to draw that round, draw ourselves a little arc. There we go. And then the point where they cross, that is our barn B. We know that that is 9 centimetres, so just double check that that's right. Yeah, perfect. So that's 9 centimetres, which is 450 metres. This first one was 400 metres. And then we can measure this one is 4.7 centimetres. So 4.7 times that by 50. By 5 is 35, 20. So that's 235 metres. So, what is the total length of the course run? 235, 450 and 400. Up 5, 8, 10. So that's in metres. So the answer is 1.085 kilometres, and you'd probably get given anything from 1.1 from 1 to 1.1. You'd get allowed there. On what bearing do the competitors run back from the barn to the starting point? So the barn back to the starting point. So we need to have a north line drawn in there. north line from the barn to the starting point. So I'm facing north. Excuse me. I've got to turn all of that, so get my protractor out and I measure around 140 degrees, that is. It goes in a clockwise direction and it's 3 digits, it's 140 degrees. And you probably get 138 to 142 degrees. Although if you calculate it, it will, because of this is 40, it will always be 140 because those are parallel lines. Okay. Okay, there we go.